Hey, madam,
why did you keep me waiting? Why will you have to slap him?
Madam, what's happen? What's going to happen here now?
What happened? Come.
What's happened?
Come. Why do you have to bring one plate of food? Are you stupid or what?
Madam, I want one. I'm going to bring her now. One. Ah, this guy slaps.
Shut up.
Okay, go first.
Come. Put your hand down. You dey fear for me? My own sister. Come now. My own sister slapped me.
Jesus!
What is this one doing? What are you acting here?
What is going on here? I'm just hearing slaps. What is going on?
See, madam, see. I put 2 plates of food for kitchen. Ah, my face. As I bring her come, she slapped me. She can't slap her. Say, why you slap me? I can't say why you slap her. She can't slap me. So I come out and then she slap me again. First slap for 1 place. Then will never kill me.
And I will do that again.
Shut up! The two of you, your cat and dog character have started again, Abi. You have started again. Why are you slapping him? Is he not a staff?
Staff indeed.
He doesn't know how to do his job. Shut your dirty mouth.
I'm teaching him.
Please excuse me, let me eat.
Oh. I'm true with you.
I'm not going to bring the food. Come.
Okopi, come here. Come here. Okopi, come.
What's happened? You be alright?
I love this. Better. What happened, sis? Good.
Okopi, come here.
You deserve it.
Come on, sit down here.
You deserve
Sit down here.
it. Oh.
Sit down here. Come here.
Sit down here.
Oh, Bobby! What?
Shift your leg. Okopi, come here. Come here. Like this. Okopi, come here. Okopi, what did you cook? You want to finish me?
Eat it!
Leave him alone. Leave him to me. Oh, yeah,
Sis, don't say that.
carry this thing and use your sister.
Eat it! Eat it. Eat it.
Oh, yeah, start it. Okopi, eat this food.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. That's the deal. Now, what's happening now? They go. Only tired.
So this is what you are going to do again, Abi?
How?
At least.
Go.
I'll show you.
God have mercy upon you.
Eat it! You need to know I'm ulcer patient and you want to use pepper to kill me this house. Eat it, Okopi. Eat it. Eat it.
Hey! Bad markets.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.